Okay, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna get your pipe. Gotta mark it. All right, here we go. Measure it out. Give yourself a nice clear mark. Make sure you cut it. Now when you cut it, you gotta be perfect with the cut. It's gotta be super straight. Don't even try this unless you're me, because you're not gonna be able to do it. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Here it comes. Boom, there she is. Okay, look at that straight cut. You can't do that. Now you're gonna bevel it. Get yourself a grinder with a tiger paw. Bevel that thing. Watch out for the feral Sparky. Oh, he tried to kill you.
Oh my god! Alright, that's my bad.
Alright, you're gonna get your pipe into the dry vise. Tighten it on up. Alright, now there's two of those things. Make sure you get the right size. When you slide that on, you're going to make sure that that little handle is just a little bit back from the front of the pipe so that you can get your depth on the threads. Go ahead and tighten it up. And that little handle there, you're going to want to make sure that that is not sticking forward, because it'll catch the tool and it'll get bound up. Pre-lube that thing up. Slide your tool on, and that little handle is going to go in that opening right there. You're going to get some dark thread cutting oil. That's what you're going to use for the lube. So when you go start pushing on it to start the threads, and then you can do this yourself, or you can have someone oil it up. Don't be like us and miss the whole entire freaking bucket. Notice it, fix it, pretend it didn't happen. Perfect, all right. And usually I just go like every other hole, just do a dab of oil, and Jose's here just loading it on. It'll be fine. But see how that handle was almost hitting that tool? You gotta make sure that doesn't get bound up. All right, all right. Now we're gonna back it out and just let the tool do the work. Don't force it, don't mess up your threads. You got beautiful threads now. You spent all this time doing it. Make sure they're beautiful. All right, there you go. There's your threads. Give them a little clean off action. And get yourself a test fitting. Make sure you can go about 3 rotations on that thing. Make sure they don't look messed up or anything. They're gonna be fine. All right, doing the other side one more time. Get your thing in the tri-vise. Tighten her on up. All right, see when you're putting that thing on, you wanna make sure that handle is just a little bit further back from the front edge of that pipe. And when you tighten it up, make sure that that handle is at about 11 o'clock, like you can see it there. Slide it in, start that push. Give it a nice push, it'll start the threading process, and then just keep lubing it up. And see how that handle fell back on the part where you tighten it? You're gonna wanna watch out because the tool will bind up on that. And if it's smoking, it's okay, it does that, it's all good. And you're gonna wanna thread this thing until the pipe reaches the end of the die, is how I was doing it. No leaks, no problem, there's plenty of threads. Reverse it out. All right, there we go. Get your test fitting, make sure you can thread that thing on there 2 or 3 times. Now if you need to switch it, that's the locking mechanism right there. So you can pop that back and forth like that and it comes out. Get your other die, just pop it in, and then just click it back into place. Now it's in. All right, now we're gonna do 2-inch pipe. So this is a 2-inch pipe, so it's a different tool, but it's pretty similar. So we're gonna bevel that thing with the grinder again. Make sure your cut's pretty straight. Don't even try and cut it with a bandsaw if you're not perfect like me. Okay, so now we have the bigger one. All right, pop that thing in, lube up that pipe, just pre-lube it. Now that handle right there, see that 2 and 1? 2 is for reverse, 1 is for threading, so you're gonna wanna go on 1 when you're threading it. So same thing, put it on, push it to start it, just push it, it'll bite, and then you're gonna start letting that oil go. It's gonna keep going, it's gonna keep going. And like I said, you're gonna let that pipe reach about the end of the die, and that'll be plenty of threads to thread whatever you want on there. No leaks, no problem. I always do 4 wraps of tape and dope and just crank it till it's tight and it's fine. Smoke is okay. You'll see it's almost there. And there we go. Now when you take it off, turn that thing to 2 and you can reverse it on 2. So there you go, it's reversing off on 2, it's a little faster. 1 is just more power. I'm teaching these guys how to do it. And there we go, it comes on off. Wiggle it off if it gets a little stuck, it's alright. It's a heavy ass tool. Alright, clean that off. Get your test fitting on there. Alright, there we go. Threads on, nice and good. 2 or 3 times. Perfecto. That's how you do it.